Hello everyone, Mike Arnold here, co-founder of Pat Trading Partners along with Bob Iacchino. So, Bitcoin, zoom in here, actually making new lows, 32.15, then returning to the top of the rotation zone, currently rotating back down. I'm going to update these other levels down to the most recent low since we already returned to the other side of the rotation zone. So, if we head back down, you might find some minor support at 32.67. Then if 32.15 for the major lows. If we break through that, then we have a cluster now, 31.25 to about 31.45 right in here. So watch for that. And if we go below that, I'd be watching for about 3,077. Now, if we can get a close above 33.50, then I'll be watching 34.47 based off the 4-hour chart. But let's switch over to the daily chart because it's it has more probabilities from that. And let's see, 34.13. So 34.13 at about 34.47 right in here is where we'd be watching for on the daily chart. See, every time we rally close to this 8, just keep selling back down. So just pay attention. If you're trying to pick a bottom or you trigger some long pattern, at least move up your stops or get aggressive on taking some profits. You see right here we have the prior support area, all these wicks and tails, and then you can somewhat fine tune it with the declining 8 and use that to start moving up your stops in that area or taking some profits. Still can't get any traction yet. Here we go with Ethereum. Ethereum could not get below this 83 mark, came up actually through the rotation zone, and I'll show you exactly what it hit while we watched it on the daily chart. Going to update these key levels now because we've already had an extended correction above the rotation zone. So next key levels, if we get below 83, we're then going to watch for about 80.77 and then 78.34 to 77.53. If we do rally, watch for about 90, 89, 91 area based off the 4-hour chart. But again, daily is more important. And look, we slammed right into the 8 and then sold off. This actually pierced a little into the 8. Ethereum's actually acting a little stronger than Bitcoin right now, but they're still both terribly weak. By the way, the doubles on both patterns based off the daily chart are both still in play, as we've discussed before. But you remember, you need a close or an extended move above the peak of both of them before they're triggered. This is a bullish pattern only once it triggers. I mean, this could sit and move sideways. This could go lower. This could rally up and form a triple bottom. So you cannot use these targets until this is a triggered pattern, and it's nowhere near triggering yet. And don't take it just because it's potentially on the chart. That does not mean it's necessarily bullish. Again, I'm going to keep stressing that out because people say, oh, we have a double bottom, and then they think it's got to go up. No, it doesn't. Because a double bottom can be temporary, and then it could go lower and invalidate the double bottom pattern. Or as I just said, it could then rotate again around and make a triple bottom. And a triple bottom slightly favors a continuation pattern versus a reversal pattern. So just keep those facts in mind, and we'll talk to everyone soon. Bye for now.